What's up, good people? What's up, everybody? Hopefully, everybody is doing good. Everybody is um, good, cool, and everybody had an opportunity also to get a lesson from the markets. So you can see my trade today. I only took a single trade because today I risked I guess was it 2%, which I usually risk 1%, but today I risked 2% of my account, my funded account. So after, because I had a buffer, I was up 3%, but I was up 4%, but I lost the 2%. So I also have a buffer of 2% for now, but I'll go back to my 1% risking. So I only took a single trade. As you can see, it was a loss from the, I guess it was a loss, but I took it and I decided to get off the market. And something also I'm trying harder to embrace, or when I say maybe I see a trade that I'd risked higher, there's no need for me to go back and maybe try to make my profits, or um, try to how can I say it, to make the money that I've lost. So I decided to go off the market and decided to see what the market will do. And I learned something that I have previously talked about it, but I did repeat it. But it's good to repeat, and it's good always to learn from these experiences. So let's get cracking and see what did I read wrong, or what did I see wrong. So I'll go to the higher time frames. Before, as we are going to start this video, I request that you may like this video, and also kindly subscribe to this channel so that we may grow together, right? So yeah, I don't know, internet has issues, but I'm seeing it. Holy shit, holy shit, it's bringing up something. Sorry for this, guys. I'm at a corner where I don't know whether this internet will help me out. Let's see. Yeah, we're good now. I'll have now to be standing all alone. So going to the daily time frame, what I did see is I decided to start from the monthly time frame and I guess what, like I didn't even follow what I had seen before. So what I did see this monthly order block being respected. The previous month I'd already tapped into it, and the strength had been lost. I saw this candle close above the consequent of this week and also above. Then I was definitely expecting this month to be bullish, which we can see is currently happening. Going back to the weekly time frame, what I saw, I don't know why, you can see I'd labeled everything clear over here. That's my weekly breaker, and what I mean by a breaker is we have a high, a low, a higher high. So the last up close candle to me is a breaker. You can see the market had already tapped into it, and you can see how this candle lost strength, and below here we see everything being balanced. So I marked, you can see an orange dotted line there is my weak consequent encroachment. If I see a market maybe retrace, I want it maybe to, I don't want to see a candle close below this down close candle weak consequent encroachment. So I had labeled it there, and then we can see how dropped lower to the daily time frame. And over here what I saw is I saw this bullish candle that had a fair value gap being left. As you can see that fair value gap, not that one, this one, I have this daily fair value gap over there. Let me make it kind of blue, or that that's the daily fair value gap that I'd seen this candle close below it. Then we had this rally of this candle higher, you see. And what this candle do, if you can notice, because I've been talking about this, but today I wasn't keen on this. I saw this, but I don't know how I didn't take into consideration, because I had it in my thoughts, but maybe I was ignorant about it, and it costed me. So we had this candle, if you can see, it closed above this daily fair value gap consequent encroachment. So this should be the first sign that we might be bullish for this other next candle. So I decided, I don't know, because I had seen this candle close below the fair value gap, right? So to me, I wanted to see maybe price rally to this weak consequent encroachment, then rally higher. But the other next candle had already told us the story, because it had already closed above this daily fair value gap consequent encouragement, meaning this retracement downwards, it tapped into this order block. Then we can see it has been rejected. Also from here you can see the candles closing above the midpoint of this order block. Then we can see this rally higher. So to me, I didn't really. I was ignorant, and I didn't read what the market was providing me. But I was more married to my buyers. Like, I wanted to see price retrace to this weekly weak consequent encouragement, but that didn't happen. So the mistake I'm always repeating, or I've repeated today, is I was married to my buyers. I wasn't reading what price was showing me. So from the daily time frame, I could have already gotten my confirmation to be bullish. Then from the lower time frames, let's see how price was playing out. We can see price rallied higher, rallied lower. So at around this time, I saw this candle had already formed, right? This other candle. Let me make this to be lighter. So I'd seen this candle had already formed. Then we had this bullish candle. We can see the closure is above the midpoint of this daily fair value gap. Over here we have this closure above it, so this was confirming bullishness. But I don't know, I didn't consider that. Also, I just assumed that, and then I got punished. So that's what happened. I want to drop to the 1 hour time frame and tell what I wanted to see. So to me, at around this time, I don't know what was happening with me, because everything was against my odds, right? Like, I had my limit. I guess you can see these two lines. I had my sell limit at around this level, and I was watching price, and I was watching these candles form. So before this candle had formed, I can see it had closed. You can see slightly above this daily fair value gap consequent encroachment. Also, we have this 4-hour inversion fair value gap over here. As you can see, this orange zone, that's my daily, from my 4-hour fair value gap. You can see this candle had already closed above. So this also was to give me a confirmation that we will be bullish for the day, because a candle closure above a key level that we want to see support price lower, but a candle closure above it, then it nullifies the story, or the buyers should change. If you are bearish, I should have changed it to bullish. So from the 1 hour, looking at that 4-hour inversion fair value gap, see this candle's closure, right? This candle not only closed above the midpoint of this 4-hour inversion fair value gap, but it closed above this 4-hour fair value gap, right? So to me, it should have ringed into my mind that this trade, right, this trade should be a direct loser because of what price action is showing me. But I wasn't keen on that. On that, I was really married to my buyers. I wanted to see Ondema. Wanted to see price tap into this zone, then rally lower. So this is someone greeting me, by the way. Don't be worried. So price, you can see this closure even above this weak consequent encouragement. Like, it's showing me that I am bullish, but I was so ignorant on this. So dropping lower to show you what my two lines were. So we have this 15 fair value gap, right, over here, and I was watching price at around this level, from this level, sorry, from this level. I saw this displacement lower, but I saw also these equal highs, relatively equal highs, and to me, I saw this was a fake out. Then we had to rally higher, so that's where I placed my sell limit at this fair value gap here and targeted my 1 to 2. But because I was so ignorant today, so the market tapped me in and directly into drawdown. My 2% then was taken out, and because of that, I decided not to be looking into the charts. I decided not to take any trade to maybe get back whatever I'd lost, but just let the day provide maybe another opportunity tomorrow. So that's how today I did read price wrongly, and I was ignorant of the price action, and I was married to my bias, right? So that's what happened today, and I took a loss, and always I didn't take that to maybe as a negative. It's a positive because I've gotten to draw my lesson from this. So that's what happened today. Never ever should you be married to your bias. Just look at what price is doing, what price is saying, right? So that's my lesson today. So thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, guys, be safe. Bye bye.